Our company was founded in 1946, and I'm part of a third generation. My grandfather was working for the Department of Transportation, and then he went into the Air Force for World War II. And when he returned, he decided to go out on his own. And it started small, as many construction companies do. The introduction of the interstate road system through Southern Illinois is really what catapulted this construction company to another level. We celebrated 75 years of doing business 2 years ago, so that was a major milestone for our company. So we have 2 limestone operations, an oil and chip company, and then a construction company. So we do everything from produce and lay asphalt to concrete work to bridge work, concrete construction, dirt work. We're a heavy civil corporation, so 90% of our work is through the Department of Transportation. The 2 structures that we're replacing, they were definitely ready. I think they were nearly 100 years old. The demolition, due to the condition of the existing structure, was a little bit different than normal. We had to be very careful in regards to how the demolition was structured, and we worked with Roland machinery to get some bigger excavators than what we own to be able to come in to assist with that demolition. So Roland machinery, they've been a presence here in Southern Illinois for many years. So the history goes back quite a ways, and I feel like it's continued to get stronger as the years go by. I mean, uptime seems to be critical anymore. When a lot of these projects are so time sensitive, there just aren't days to waste anymore. So, I think from a service perspective, not that it wasn't important 20 years ago, but I think it's that much more important today. Having a team ready to jump on the service or have a replacement machine that's available to come in to keep that project going seems like is more important than it's ever been. So, the Komatsu wheel loaders, mostly at our asphalt plants. We've had good luck with them in our quarry facilities also. In the excavator line, we're probably 90% Komatsu now. We have a few other brands mixed in, but honestly, that goes back to operator preference. We go out in the field and we see which line that the men and women that are out there running them prefer. I just hear sheer power that, on comparative models obviously, but they can really sense the power differential. And then when they would prefer that over the competitors' machines, that's what we take them, and when they keep asking for them, that's when it comes down to the next purchase, that's kind of what's on our mind too. Through Roland's assistance, trying to help us from start to finish, to try to get the best out of our workforce and maximize the profits on these job sites. So.